this truck caught my eye, and the closer you get, it's probably not perfect. And you wouldn't think, I guess the thing that blows me away about it is that you wouldn't think that color combination would jump out like that. But it's got some 22s, 24s on it. Let's see what those are. 22s. And for an old retro truck, it's cool. You know? At least I think it's cool. It's got the wood bed in it. Like I said, it's not a top-notch redo, but it's cool. It's a Chevy, old Chevy C10. It's probably the wheels, but I don't know. I don't know what it is about it. I know it's not top-notch, but just for whatever reason, I think it's a cool-looking truck. I wouldn't mind cruising it. Anyways, on to the next. A lowrider dually. Jack-offs. That's pretty cool. I love this satin finish. Usually you see it in black, but this is in purple. I've never seen it in purple before, but that is cool. Nice truck, sounds good. Ford F1. It's something you don't see every day. It's like an old Blazer top off of it, but they've taken it off. It's Cheyenne cowl inducted. I bet you don't, pal. That's crazy, huh? I'll figure I'll throw this pickup truck. There's a bunch of them up here, but that one's a pretty good looking one. Yeah, well, it's the mystery van.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Scooby-Doo, but this is a pickup truck. That's cool, man. That looks good. Well, that's paint nice is on it. That's a good looking truck. Scooby-Doo and Shaggy.